If you've got bounced emails sitting in your Mailchimp audience, cleaning them out is a smart move. It helps keep your list healthier, improves your contact quality, and makes it easier to manage your campaigns going forward. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to remove bounced emails from Mailchimp step by step. And I'll keep it simple so you can follow along even if you're brand new to Mailchimp. If this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your browser and go to Mailchimp. Once you're inside your account, head to the audience section. This is where all of your contacts are stored, and it's where you'll find the bounced or cleaned emails you want to remove. After that, scroll down and click on Subscription Status. This filter helps you narrow down the list so you can specifically find the contacts with a bounced or cleaned status instead of going through every contact manually. Now, tick the box for email cleaned. This is an important step because Mailchimp uses this label for addresses that can't receive email properly, and these are the ones you usually want to remove. Next, tick the box for contact emails so you're selecting the actual contacts you want to delete. Once those boxes are selected, click the three dots menu. This opens up the bulk actions you can take on the selected contacts. From there, click delete. Mailchimp will ask you to confirm because this is a permanent action, so make sure you're deleting the right contacts, then tick the checkbox that says delete. After that, click continue to delete. Mailchimp will show you one more confirmation screen, so take a moment to make sure everything looks correct. On the next step, tick I understand. This confirms that you know the contact removal is permanent and cannot be undone. Then type permanently delete into the confirmation box exactly as shown. Mailchimp uses this extra step to make sure you really want to remove these bounce contacts from your audience. Finally, click permanently delete. At that point, Mailchimp will remove the selected bounced emails from your list. And that's it. You've successfully removed bounced emails from Mailchimp. This is a great habit to keep your audience clean and your email marketing running smoothly. If you found this video helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more Mailchimp tutorials just like this one.